I'm playing on this server. I don't know what the server name is. I'll tell you in the description. So, yeah, here it is. Server's horrible. This is my house. I'm trying to go this tree. And, yeah, so, if you guys want to play on the server, you guys can. Let me just type in. That's my name right there. Banana Beast. If you guys want to play on the server, you guys can, and I'll be on it most of the time. You will see a guy named this. Here, let me just. See anyone named that name? Let me just focus on it. There we go, Pickles. If you see any name called that, if you see anything that name, that's my friend. And we'll usually be Skyping together while playing. So, yeah. If you guys want to play in the server, you guys can. It's not mine, but if you guys want to, see me play, want to play with me, I will play. I'll be playing most of the time. Focus. And yeah. Thanks guys for watching. And peace.